Here's how to fix the 72-hour restriction when deleting your Snapchat account. Now, if you go through the process and you're trying to delete Snapchat, but it gives you this error that says you need to essentially wait 72 hours, I'm going to walk you through the entire process to fix that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, it might look something like this. You might get all the way over to the ability to delete it, but it says at the very bottom, security restriction, please try again from this device after 72 hours. Now, of course, you have one option, just to wait 72 hours and then just try to go through the process of deleting it again. However, if you don't necessarily want to do this, there are a couple other things that you can do. Essentially, Snapchat might think that this specific device is not the original device that you use oftentimes to connect to your Snapchat account. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings, and we'll scroll down to General, and then scroll down again, and we're going to go to VPN and Device Management. You want to check to see if you have a VPN turned on and enabled. If you do, essentially that might be tricking Snapchat into thinking they don't necessarily know who is connecting to the Snapchat account, and essentially they might think there's a security risk there that someone might have hacked into your account and is trying to delete it. So basically, Snapchat and all apps will detect which IP address you typically use to connect to their service. And if there's something that's wildly different from another country or another area, they might flag that as suspicious. So I recommend basically turning that VPN off if you have it on. Now, another thing you can do is you can always swipe down from the top right. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you could always switch over to cell data or vice versa. And I also recommend basically going somewhere that you've recently connected to your Snapchat account or that you regularly check Snapchat on. So like your home or your office or a coffee shop that you usually go to, stuff like that. Now, if you go through that entire process and it still doesn't work, let's head into your settings. Let's go back and back again. You're going to tap on General, and then you're going to tap on iPhone Storage, and you're just going to find Snapchat on this list. There it is. I would recommend offloading this app and then just reinstalling it. A lot of times this clears out all kinds of cache and bugs and everything in here, and it downloads a fresh new copy of Snapchat directly onto your device. And then once it's reinstalled that app on there, you can just open it up and go through the entire process of just deleting your account on there, and you shouldn't get that 72-hour problem. It should be all fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.